Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Tata Altroz, a premium hatchback that's redefining style, performance, and technology. If you're a fan of bold design, advanced features, and reliable performance, this is the car to watch. The 2025 Altroz boasts a refreshed front grille, sharper LED DRLs, and a sculpted body for a sportier presence. Tata's signature Impact 2.0 design philosophy ensures it stands out in the crowded hatchback segment. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a plush cabin with a new 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A fully digital instrument cluster enhances the futuristic appeal, while premium leatherette seats provide top-notch comfort. Tech-savvy drivers will appreciate the Altroz's AI-powered voice assistant, connected car technology, and a premium JBL sound system for an immersive audio experience. Wireless charging and a 360-degree camera add to the convenience factor. Under the hood, Tata offers multiple powertrain choices, including a 1.2L turbo petrol, a fuel-efficient diesel, and a CNG variant. The refined DCT automatic and smooth manual transmission options ensure a dynamic driving experience. Performance-wise, the turbo petrol variant delivers 120 horsepower, making highway cruising and city drives effortless. The diesel variant ensures excellent fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for long-distance travelers. Safety remains a top priority, with Tata's high-strength steel body, 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, and an electronic stability program. The 2025 Altroz also introduces Level 2 ADAS, featuring lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking. Practicality meets style with generous boot space, rear AC vents, and ample storage options. Whether you're heading for a road trip or daily commutes, the Altroz ensures maximum convenience. The 2025 Tata Altroz sets a new benchmark in the premium hatchback segment, offering a perfect balance of style, technology, and safety. What do you think of this stunning upgrade? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive updates. See you in the next video.